Solid protection work. What does it look like? This is what it looks like. Boom. Takes her out before she even gets on the court. Let's see the instant replay real quick. Assessing, time to act. Starts behind, catches up, overpowers, and mitigates the threat. Boom! What's up, you guys? Byron Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review. It's kind of like a field note as well. Learn protection strategies from a protection professional. What can we learn from this situation that'll make us all better protectors? So your client, okay, or someone you love is in front of you, and you know, the real question is, how does this lady get in front of the other lady that's trying to make contact with one of the ball players? That's really the question, you know, because we all want to protect the things and people we love when we're working. We all want to be able to be right there at the right time, but this situation really, in my opinion, even though it went to a hard skills encounter, it really kind of shows what the game's all about, which is really the fusion between hard skills and soft skills, right? So you can see here, while they're sitting down, you can already see our protector has already locked on to the aggressor. She's just sitting there, and she knows something's up. I don't know if she can see something in her hand down here, or if she heard them whispering, but the lesson here is the soft skills, observation, behavioral profiling. Maybe there's just a lot of nervous behavior, and the lady's just sitting there and she looks uncomfortable on her shoulders and everything she's doing, and she just looks uncomfortable for whatever reason. The thing that makes this such a good video to understand how a protector can get to where they need to be to make that tackle, you can see the whole entire scenario play out. Blow, by blow. Boom, she's watching her. Her head is not moved. Camera's moved, her head's not moved. She is locked onto this lady. And the other thing is, so we talk about the enemy chooses the time and the place, but we have to react and we have to get to work. And it's kind of this thing in a protector's mind. And Gavin DeBecker talks about it in Just 2 Seconds as well, that like, well, I'm gonna be behind the power curve when this happens. So like, will I still be able to get rounds off? Will I still be able to get in the fight? You know, the reality is yes. The reality is, if you do what you can the second you recognize that threat, you can get in the fight. If you look at these two individuals, right? Red shirt over here got to choose the time and place. She literally got to choose when she was gonna attack, how she was gonna use the element of surprise. And the protector had to react after her. She's already halfway past the front row, and the protector hasn't even gotten out of her seat yet. Halfway past the front row, and then the protector jumps up and gets her and takes her down. Another small consideration is, you see this? Tactical positioning, right? She has given herself a clear lane to be able to get out and get in front of these chairs as quickly as possible. That one tactical decision before the encounter probably may have made the entire difference as to whether or not she was able to actually stop this thing from going down. Because you can see she has an easier time. She makes up, saves time, boom, with the tackle. And then this is where the hard skills come into play, right? So you've got to have those soft skills to be able to recognize threats. And then at this point, if you're a civilian, you can choose to walk away. If you're a professional protector, you've got to figure out how exactly you want to engage. These are the skills that make us honorable in the sight of the people that hire us to do our jobs. This is Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade, inviting you to come out, train with us. If you're in the private security industry, at the League of Executive Protection Specialists. If you're a civilian, go to Protector Nation, train with us. Let's make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. Out.